Okay, good afternoon. I came out here to the Fullerton Railroad Station out here in Fullerton, California. This cold, wet, freezing, windy Saturday, this February 25th, 2023. According to the PA, as soon as I got here, the public announcement from the Amtrak station here. There's police activity up between here and Los Angeles on the line. So that pretty much means the entire line is shut down, freight and passenger. But what they do got here, since my filming got a little bit spoiled, is they have the Fullerton Train Museum. And what they did is that right there in the distance, that loading platform, that used to be part of the Santa Fe Fullerton train depot, and this is the freight depot side of the passenger terminal. So they would line up box cars and stuff here and load them up with goods and services and stuff. Well, after all that disappeared, including the rails, they finally reinstalled the rails here about 10, 15 years ago. And apparently they've been putting equipment in here, passenger equipment in cabooses. And they started the Fullerton Train Museum. I've been here a couple times. They open up all the cars, get to walk through them. It's kind of cool. Kind of keep railroading alive, so to speak. So let's take a walk real quick on both sides. Or at least on one side, there's really nothing to see on the other side. Because there is some neat equipment here you've only seen in videos and in books, and will never see running the rails probably in our lifetime ever again. But let's go ahead and take a look. I'll pick up the tripod and let's walk over there together. So right off the bat there, you get to see that Pullman Standard smooth-sided, or maybe Bud car, I don't remember, your Union Pacific passenger car. That's a chair car. You get to see the various baggage cars that were prolific once upon a time at this particular railroad station. It's starting to rain, so you may see some raindrops on our screen. A couple little speeder cars. And of course, Southern Pacific bay window caboose. Let's check that out a little bit more. So once again, at the risk of sounding like Hugh Hauser, this is Fullerton Santa Fe Depot. One side of it has been turned into a little Fullerton Railroad Museum. There's your Santa Fe Cupola CE or CA caboose. Or CAs. It's probably probably like a CA9. And of course, your Southern Pacific bay window caboose. All those windows started to get plated over probably about the 60s and the 70s. And then the last couple of versions that Pullman Standard, I think, produced, or Bethlehem produced for the Sun Pacific, came totally with no windows except for the cupola there, or the bay window. And I believe that's an actual Santa Fe passenger car right there, a streamlined passenger car. Let's go over there and see if we can get a good look at it. We're probably not going to be able to. The fence line is going to get in the way, but let's check it out. So again, this is in downtown Fullerton, California. This is where I spent pretty much all my adult lifetime, chasing trains. Haven't been here in a while. But it sure does feel good to be back again. Let me tell you, even though it's freezing right now and windy and rainy, this is home for me. I guess one day when I die, you can scatter my ashes right here on the main line. Train coming.